I explained to him how to play a groove in 13. So basically it's going to be like this. Count it off, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Ain't nobody playing grooves in 13. You can't get paid playing grooves in 13. Ain't nobody going to shake their booty. That's why you from broke. Play 4/4, And that's how you play a groove in 13. Thank you.
In this episode of Cobb TV, we are going to learn how to play a beat in the time signature of 13/8 via the song Weapons Factory from Super Mario RPG. Yes, and be sure to like and subscribe for epic musical content. Now, let's get right into it. Special thanks to 8-Bit Music Theory for transcribing this monster of a beat. I learned it from there, and now I'm going to teach you how to play it on the drums. And it's actually not as hard as you think. It just takes a little bit of practice, maybe. But if we split the measure in half, we'll see that the first half is almost identical to the second half. It's beat 7 that's different from all the other rhythms, and it's beat 7 that's the most tricky because we're not playing on beat 7. It's somewhat of a slight rest there. So if we were to start on our right hands, we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. Alright, and the kick drum pattern, that's probably a good place to start. It's got a really nice groove there, a really cool syncopation, and I'm going to count along with the kick drum pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. When we subdivide 7 and 6, we're landing on beat 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, beat 4, and beat 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in the entire phrase, if we want to count to 13, our bass drum is going to fall on 1, 4, 6, 8, 11, and 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's put that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, now I'm going to play it at tempo a few times without a crash cymbal on 1, and then I'm going to add a crash cymbal in there just so you can hear where the start and the end of the phrase is a little more clear. Now there you have it. That's how you play a drum beat in 13/8 via the drum beat in Weapons Factory in Super Mario RPG from the original SNES Super Nintendo console. And just a quick refresher course in case you don't know, in a time signature, the top number means how many beats per measure, the bottom number means what note value gets the beat. In this case, an eighth note is the beat. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more epic music content. And in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.